Look, kids. Oh no, our auto rickshaw is broken. Don't worry, we will fix it together. Let's start. This is the wheel. This is the tire. Round and strong. This is the door. This is the mirror. This is the body. This is the engine. This is the light. Beep, beep, horn. Hooray! Our auto rickshaw is ready. Let's go.
S Moon TV, subscribe now.